Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Bill from Competition Cars in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So now I'm going to bring you this video on the engine bay of my very, very beautiful 1960 Cadillac Eldorado 390 tri-power. Very clean, very correct car. I really didn't want to bring this video to you just yet because I'm trying to keep the videos in chronological order. So when I do one video of a car, then I'll do the next video, the next video, the next video, so you don't have to hunt around all over my YouTube page. But I'm just so excited. I want you to see what we got so far. This car's close to being ready. We've done the paint correction. We've got the engine bay done. We've got the undercarriage mostly done. But I got to show it to you. This is a factory Heather metallic. It is a factory buckets, white leather bucket seat car. The cow tag confirms all that. And it's just really, really nice. I mean, just top to bottom nice. I had one just like this a couple years ago, sold on Bring a Trailer for $196,000. This car is actually a little nicer than that. It has a nicer interior, nicer engine bay, nicer undercarriage. The other car had a little fresher paint. So we're gonna see what the market is now on these cars. I mean, it's a stunner, guys. I mean, the paint is beautiful, the bright work, the chrome, up under the hood. I mean, everything just looks very, very, very close to new. And this is, besides the engine bay, I'll give you a little sneak peek of the overall car. It's not fully I mean, we paint corrected, but we've had some rain. We pulled it out and out of the shop, so it might be a little dusty. It's got some awesome true spoke wire wheels, fat white walls. It's just got the look, guys. Been nicely redone. And we didn't do this car, it was mostly done. We just put some of our finishing touches. You know, if this car was 90%, 93, 4, 5%, we took another 3 or 4% to bring it up to the next level. We try to touch every inch of these cars to make them better in some possible way. And again, this car didn't need a whole lot. No rust, no corrosion, no grime, no dirt. Correct original tri-power, correct engine, all that stuff. Just a gorgeous piece of machinery. I mean, I would love for it to do as much or more than the last one. We're gonna see. Again, if you guys know what you're looking at, you'll know this is a nicer car overall. All the bright work looks nice, but this is mostly just to introduce you to the car, let you know that I've got it, knock out the engine bay video since hood's up, and put our final detail on it. Original and correct generator. I mean, even stuff like the tower clamps, got the right clamps on it. Stuff that most people miss or don't bother with. Let's do one quick view down the side. So you see this laser straight body. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. And again, it is a real deal Heather metallic car. There's a couple water droplets. We had to pull it from the lift earlier into the shop and it got rained on a little bit. It's got beautiful paint. So check it out, guys. You're gonna see this on YouTube first. It will be live on Bring a Trailer soon enough. I promise I'll get some more great videos. Let me get a close-up of the cow tag so you can see it's the real deal. 10B, that's for the bucket seats, white with the B means buckets. Paint code 99, style 60, there's all their numbers, so you can check that out and confirm that this car is what I say it is. Top is in great shape. So have a nice day, guys. Any questions, put them in the comment section. I'd be happy to answer them. And fingers crossed this thing does a stellar number that it deserves. Have a great day.